Hey guys, Bob from TST Industries here. In this video, we're going to show you the installation of these Womet-Tech spools on a GSX-S1000F. These are available in aluminum in a few different anodized colors, as well as Delrin. The Delrin ones provide a little bit more slide and impact protection than the aluminum ones. The installation is exactly the same. One other note is that the Delrin ones are available in either black or white. All right, the installation of these parts is really simple. We're gonna get right into it. Using a 6mm Allen key, we will start the thread into the boss on the swing arm. And you gotta be careful here. Make sure you don't cross thread it. That's why I like to do it by hand with a hand tool. And once I bottom this out, I'll grab my torque wrench, set it to 177 inch-pounds. And torque it to that spec. We'll repeat this exact procedure on the other side of the motorcycle. So on this side, the procedure is actually exactly the same. Thread into the boss. Bottom it out. 177 inch-pounds. And now this bike is ready to go up on a paddock stand. It's that simple. Bike's ready to go. See you guys next time.